What the? Manok? Hmm? Asan sa'yo yan? Paper one?
No,
Wait, duha?
one more.
Yung isa na lang, oh. Yung isa, barbecue.
Ayoko
honey.
yan.
Black paper yan.
Like 697.
Ito na lang, oh. Masarap.
Ang mahal yan.
16 na.
One more, please.
We buy that one, oh, apple juice, that one they want. Elvira will not drink.
Bilisan mo. Naghihintay sila yung cheese.
Okay, come, let's go. Asan na ba? Yung cheese, saan? Dito banda, oy, saan ba yun? Wala pa naman, ibasa pa yun ni, ni Elvira. Cheddar cheese.
Pumili eh. Ang dati sa
Asan na ba yung isang... Asan na si matanda? Nawala. Asan na ba yung... Asan ba yung...
yun siya.
Ano bang bibili itong... Talagang mag-basket, oh? You get basket, ah? Ha?
Ayun o, may hooker oh.
Ayan, oh, may basket siya. Come, let's go here, this side. Which one do you want? Chili put.
Up.
Ilagay mo daw chili. Uy, mag-Coca-Cola ta? Ano bang? Ayaw na diretso. Dari tayo sa... Ano?
Ayaw ng bed?
Ay, dito... May ref naman si Elvira. Meron ding...
Okay.
Ano eh. Yung hindi malamig.
Hinigit ko lang gusto ni ate.
Hinikins daw? Hinikins daw de. Where's Hinikin?
Kasi mahal ng hinigit.
Magkano? Magkano daw? Where? Asan mo ito isang lalaki? Hinikin, how much? 21. Tiger na lang. Oh, 19 lang.
Pwede lang yan, tiger.
Ha? Or this one, what's this? Hinikin, ano gusto ni ate? Ha? Hinikin daw. Gusto ni ate? Kamahal man na. Uy, 6 lang kabuok. Carlsberg na lang. What? Oh, ito na lang, oh.
Sa puro ah.
This one is 13. Puro la.
But 6 pieces hindi.
We buy two. The Angkor one, this one.
Still expensive.
Gather. One more daw siya. What do you want? Cold storage, guys. Cereal. I need to get cheese. Cheese for pizza. Mozzarella. Anong gusto ni ano? Anong gusto ni... That one, really, Taige? Hinikin?
Yan ba ang gusto? I-ano mo kay Elvira kung yan ang cheese na ano?
Yan nga, mozzarella cheese. Yun yan. Pizza, oh.
Hindi yung ginaganon-ganon niya.
Yan, yung cheese na yan. Ito na lang, supuro. Nice, maburang supuro. Yeah. Oy, this one, oh. 18 lang di, oh. Di, 18, oh.
But 4 pieces.
But, apat lang. It's only 4 only.
This one na 24 only, oh.
That one, this one na lang di, oh. Kay 12 na.
This one.
That one na. Not that one. Carl's beer. Yan na.
Yeah, that one also. This one yan.
That one is 12 already. That one lah. More cheaper. Wine, that guys. See, look, different kinds of wine. We are in cold storage. See, wine. Which one? Which wine do you want, guys? See, here, expensive wine. That one, Carlsberg, that one? Ha?
Na gusto mo wine? Wala bang tag 20 daw?
Wala nga. Ay, hinanap ko nga. 20. Wait, hanap ako na. White wine, 23, che. 23 man. See here. Look at here. Look at this. This one nga, marker mark. 124. Monkey shoulder. Monkey shoulder, 69. Whiskey, 59. Here, 22. Oh. What's this? What's that?
This one also gin.
Uy, mag-cocktail na lang tayo. 15 lang, oh. Uy, mag-cocktail na lang tayo. 15 lang.
This one is
American gin. What do you want?
dito talaga ako na
This one we drink last year. This one, oh. Bombay Sapphire. You know what? I let Shirley sleep first, then I let her go home because she's like already, I don't know.
How much daw?
59.
This one only 50 offer.
What's that? Hoy, shall we buy one drinks? Hoy, unsay gusto nyo? 7-Up, Coke? Coke? Coke, che? Bacardi? Wala mang original. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. This is cold storage at Newton Square Shopping Mall.